Giraffe currently lists active players at 5 or more hours per week as capable of earning $30 to $100 or more per month, while casual players at 2 to 3 hours per week are listed at $5 to $20 per month. Giraffe. So after 30 days, the real question isn't whether Giraffe pays. It does offer PayPal cash and gift cards, with the current minimum cash out listed at $0.20. The question is whether the time you spend playing is worth the reward. Giraffe. Here's how the system works. Giraffe gives you games to play and rewards you with gems based on active gameplay and in-game milestones. You can also earn gems through surveys, daily streaks, challenges, and other promotional offers. Giraffe. That means your results can change depending on which games are available to you and which offers you're given. Giraffe's own terms also say the available games, coin amounts, promotions, and exchange rates can change at any time. Giraffe. For a 30-day test, track your actual time instead of only watching the balance increase. Record how many hours you play, how many gems you earn, and how much you successfully cash out. The payout side is one of Giraffe's strongest points. The company currently says PayPal payouts can be processed within a few hours, and the minimum cash out is $0.20. Giraffe. Giraffe. But there is an important catch. Giraffe's terms don't guarantee a specific earning rate or reward. The exchange rate used for redemption can change, and rewards are only available when they are offered and you have enough coins. Giraffe. Current user feedback also shows both sides. Trustpilot reviews include reports of quick payments, but some users report missing rewards, delayed payments, or problems receiving credit for completed games. A Trustpilot 40 tira. So, is Giraffe worth it after 30 days? For casual gaming, it can make sense if you're already going to play mobile games and want to turn some of that time into small rewards. It makes less sense if you're treating it like a serious income source. The practical test is simple. Use Giraffe for 30 days, track your hours and cash outs, then calculate your actual earnings per hour. If that number isn't worth your time, stop using it. The key points are simple. Giraffe is free. The current minimum cash out is $0.20, and the company lists $30 to $100 or more per month for active players. Giraffe. Try the 30-day time and cash out test before deciding whether to keep it. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more app reviews.